Guys, magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Ito po ulit si Bilyonaryong Pulube Aka Duyot Official. Ako nga pala pupunta sa pasyalan ng mga Pilipino dito sa Singapore kasi nagpagawa ako ng salmen almost 1 month na, hindi pa nadarating. Kaya kukuhanin ko ngayon. Kita-kits tayo doon. At samahan niyo ako sa aking biyahe. Dito yung lugar ko. Malinis dito sa Singapore. Talaga naman wala kang makikitang kalat. Dito sa lugar ko is convenient. Merong coffee shop at malapit sa massage kung gusto niyo magpa-massage. Ito yung mga coffee shop. Ito yung main road. Ito yung coffee shop. Maraming nakain dito. Pero pag Sunday, close to. Ito ang coffee shop dito. Ito, malapit na ako sa station. Kita mo, ang daming bike na nakaparking dito. Kasi pag malayo ka sa station, magbabike ka para makarating ka sa train station. Kaya nakaparking ang mga bike dito. Ito na yung station. Sakay sa mamasahe ka, ay di magbike ka na lang. Ito yung station, pero hindi ako dito sasakay. Dito ako sasakay sa green line. Ito is orange line. Ito orange line. Pero doon ako sa kabila, sasakay sa green line. Transfer ako doon. Kaya walking distance lang naman. Hindi naman malayo. Ito yung entrance. Mag-top up tayo. Ito na yung papasok doon sa train na green line puntang Orchard, doon sa pasyalan ng mga Pilipino. Ito, green line, S-West line. Wala kang kapagod-pagod dito. Up and down, naka-eskeletor. Dadaanan ko dalawang eskeletor na mataas, mahaba. Hindi ko maliligaw dito kasi may mga signage. Yan o. May naka-arrow. Express line. Dito na ako sa station. Hihintay ako ng train. Siguro 5 station from here. Dito na ako sa station ng Paya River. Dito ako sasakay ng puntang Orchard Station. Pero lilipat pa ako ng green line. Ng red line. Dito ako sa 2, 3, 4, 5 5:05, lilipat ako rito sa red light. Ito yung train na puntang Changi Airport. Changi International Airport. Ito na yung train na sasakyan ko. Mukhang puno ng pasahero. Daming pasahero. Bumaba na ako dito sa train. Ito yung sinakyan ko, Green Line. Lilipat ako dito sa red line. Dito ako sa station na Orchard. Mabilis lang naman ang interval ng train dito. Kaya maghintay na lang ako ng kaunting minuto. Dati dito sa Singapore, dito ako nagtatrabaho sa train. Ito yung ginagawa namin, yung mga pintuan ng platform. Siniservisa namin yan, kaya kabisado ko to lahat ng MRT station dito. Ito na yung train na sasakyan ko. From here, around 3 station. Nandun na. Dami ring tao.
Shuttle bus services will be available between 5 a.m. and 9 a.m. between Promenade and Harbourwest Station. For more information, please approach our station staff.
Ito na ko sa loob. Lubigat Station. Punuan dito. Punuan. Guys, dito na ako sa Orchard.
Attention please. The train approaching platform is service at Marina
Dito na ako sa station kung saan ako pupunta.
Platform B will end its service at
Withdraw muna tayo ng pera pambayad sa salamin. Malapit na tayo sa ating destination. Christmas na dito. Ito na yung pasyalan ng mga Pilipino dito sa Singapore dahil may Jollibee na. May Jollibee na dito. Ang laki ng Jollibee rito. Dati nakatayo rito McDonald's, na wala na. Ipinalta na ng Jollibee. Saan ba yung aking pinagpapagawa ng salmin dito? Sarado pa rin. Anong oras kaya ito magbubukas? Sige, hintayin ko na lang magbukas to. So long. How much this one?
This one for stabilizer is $49.90, but you got $5 discount.
How about this one? How much?
This one $49.90.
Same.
This one, no stabilizer.
What do you mean stabilizer?
Stabilizer means when you are shooting walking video, it won't be shake, anti-shake.
No, because my phone have already stabilizer. I think.
Oh, I
like
see.
that.
You only need the normal
Yeah.
one. This one is 24.90.
How much?
24.90.
24.90.
Yeah.
You have the black one.
This size is you want black one? This size okay? You can shop. This
Yeah.
size okay? This one is black.
This one can
10.
turn like
Yeah,
this.
360 degree. This one 17.90.
Mm. Yeah. But short one they still don't have.
Compare which one you want? Small one is a smaller
But I
one.
want black one. Black one.
Smaller one only come white.
Oh,
You want black one, you take this one.
quite long, huh?
Still okay, man.
Ma'am, no other type. Only these two type.
This side?
This one how? This one how much?
This one is 29.90.
Can shorten. Nice one, huh?
Also got Bluetooth one. All got Bluetooth.
Then how can
24.90.
fix this?
Hmm?
How can fix the phone?
This one
Yeah.
This one you this one screw and put here. No? Put your phone here.
Like this.
Then
Yeah,
you
yeah.
tighten it. After you put already, you tighten it. This one
How
is,
much that one?
24.90. Then this one thing good is you can turn also lah. You can turn 360. Which direction you want? This one.
Ah.
How tall?
Yeah, yeah. Some
What
more.
is the
This one,
tallest?
this one is the tallest one already.
No, you want how tall you want? I have so many here.
Yeah.
I show you which one you require lah. You want you want tall one, but
This one?
you don't.
This one how much, sister? This one just now you tell me. Because sister, I want to use also for my hand also.
Yeah, can lah. You everything can fold one. It's okay to got taller, but if you want to short, you just saw in can already like that lah.
How much this one, sister?
17.90.
Okay, I want to take
You
this.
get one?
I get this one. This one how tall? Like this?
No, this height. This height.
And then this one?
You want that one also can. That one another model.
How much this one?
39.90. 34.90.
This one? Same.
This one is got stabilizer. This is not tall. Not tall. You want tall, you take this one or either this one. You can make it short. But you want tall, you can everything how to fold. You need to use two hands. That is very easy. All are tripod like that. Extend, put back like that.
Okay, like that. I take this one, auntie.
You take this one.
This one how much? 17?
17.90.
Okay, I try first this one, sister. Sister, do you have the microphone? Like
You want to add other things because you are buying $39, you can straight away deduct $5. We have Christmas promotion.
that one.
$39 straight away can deduct $5.
Okay, I bought this one. How much? 7. May bukas na din yung aking hinihintay. Boss, I want to take my spectacle.
You go receipt.
Yep. Bukas na din, bukas.
$6,195. Let me check that.
Where is Auntie?
Yeah, done already.
Huh?
Huh?
Auntie where?
Auntie, did they, I think she go Philippines already, ma.
Ah,
I think so, I don't know. That's why, she not Filipino, she will be here, I won't be here. I only have her only Sunday only.
ah.
So I think she go Philippines. You try first.
Before I pay.
Yeah, don't worry. Try important. Try first, okay? Sure.
Can I use?
The mirror. The mirror there, the big one. This one is for you to see the far on here. Today is 21st, huh?
20. Happy Mary. But you can Chinese cannot drink it.
No. One side English, one side Chinese, man. Don't worry. Here got Chinese people also. Sometimes half.
But my face is stuck with my face.
Okay, as long as when you see far and near is clear, then should be okay. Yeah, you can see near, right? Can
Yeah.
Okay, can then okay lah. I think you wear before the progressive, you see.
Yeah, I always wear.
Yeah, then okay lah. Should be no problem.
This one is more better.
Yeah.
All the girl I see is beautiful. Auntie.
Where?
All the
No,
girl is become beautiful. Very nice.
No lah, not all lah. Some, at least 80%, 80% lah. Correct lah, sir. 80%.
They make it very. But the pics is okay.
Nah, the fitting okay lah.
Sitting is okay.
Because the side actually this frame small is very durable and very light also. So so when you put on you try to use two hands, take out also two hands. Don't use one hand.
Okay, I use it. I put video.
Nah.
Put video.
Oh, you put video ah?
It's my new glass.
Yeah. Oh. So you try to wear this one get used to it first lah.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Case for you, the cloth for you to watch the
But
lens.
no black one. No black case.
This some plastic I don't have, but you want normal one, I can give you. There. You want soft one or black one?
Yeah, the black one is better.
How about this one? Zip. Is it okay?
Better.
Better, right?
Yeah.
I give the cloth for you. This one, the one I give you one cloth for you.
But this one is exactly to my glass.
Yeah, definitely no problem.
But this one can no problem to
No problem.
can press one.
No problem.
Can you give me one more? The one? You can give me the one.
You want the one also?
Yeah, also. Better if I
Okay, like your first customer.
this one almost 2 months until
Yeah?
when September 20
Yeah lah. Is it you forget or what?
because I never give me the receipt.
Who never give you?
They SMS to me,
Oh,
but I didn't see it.
okay. So your balance will be
138,
138. Yes. You keep this one, I already chopped already. This one I keep. This one you keep.
138.
You give me 150, correct? I give $12 back. Correct?
No worries. I can use my blood already. It's nice and
Yeah.
it's nice to me.
Of course. $12, huh?
Yeah.
Keep. You so early, huh? Today no working, huh?
Yeah, I working 1:30.
Huh? Where?
I work in Marina Bay Sun in BS.
You mean do the therapy, ah?
No.
You working or what?
I'm working there.
Eh?
In
Marina
Bay.
Square.
No, I Marina Bay Sand.
Oh, Marina Bay Sands.
Yeah. The hotel there, the casino, and then the
Oh, Marina Bay Sands. Okay, up
Yeah.
there. Up there.
all
You
all
work there?
I working as a technician there. Oh,
So no bad lah. Now you PR or Singaporean?
I guess that's
You
it.
want you seek to go back to your country.
Yeah.
Like Auntie so. She marry here. She don't want to get. She want get PR only. She never get citizen because she got so many property.
Yeah.
I don't have one. That's why I have. Okay. Ah, thank you. Okay.
See a lot.
Any problem? You can come back to
Okay,
us.
hi to my vlog.
Hello. Thank you so much, sir. Have a nice day.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. See you.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Tapos na, nakuha ko yung salmin. September 24, now is September, October, 1 month. Over 1 month. Okay, hanggang dito na lang ang vlog ko. Thank you very much.